Hey, what's up?
What's up?
What's up, Josh?
What's going on?
Jocelyn and Jamie here at Crabs to Go on the corners of Route 50 and 589. I have to say it every time. No, I am not part owner of the place. I'm just brothers from another mother's with the guys inside and these ladies outside now. The food is absolutely delicious. We're here probably testify once a week.
At least.
Yeah, once a week at least, she says. Yeah. I'm sorry if I'm a bother.
Well, I mean, it's 2 now. You were just here last
night. Oh,
night.
geez, oh, flip. Here we go. But you know what? I love them. I think they love me. It's a really good relationship. You'll have one too when you show up because the food is outstanding. Some stuff that I just learned too before we started talking, right? Raceway Sitco right next door, beer and wine. As long as you buy it there, drink it here. Unbelievable. You can't bring your own stuff in. That's against the law. But you buy it here, you can drink it on the property, and that is a really, really cool thing. So when you get the crabs, the fresh seafood, the platters, it's all eaten right here in what we'll call the boatyard for fun and giggles. But you guys can call it whatever you want. Seating area, sand lot.
Yep, the yard.
But let's talk, man. You guys have fresh food, fresh fish and everything coming in now. People can come inside now, which is really spectacular.
Yes, we have finally opened our doors to the public, and it's so great to have everyone back. And we've heard from our customers are so excited to be coming inside and seeing our options. Everyone loves to see everything, so it's great.
Yeah, still doing window service, but you don't have to. So somebody, instead of bringing this stuff up to the window, somebody can come in and look in the cabinet. The cabinet looks really good now. It's a good, really good thing.
Yep. Yeah. We also have our fresh Maryland crabs. We are getting them in every day. They are coming from the Choptank River, the Miles River, and the Y River.
Yeah, they're huge.
And they are just fat boys.
That's just large.
That's just a large, They get better and better every day as we get more into the season.
Man,
But yeah, all Maryland crabs, you can't beat it.
Tonight.
Also our crab meat as well. It's fresh Hooper's Island Maryland crab meat. It's the best stuff you can get, really.
Both of these being Maryland is a big thing. You guys have some of the best pickers in the area doing this stuff.
Oh yeah, no foreign meat or anything. It's all fresh, local Maryland crab meat.
And when you don't find any shells in your jumbo lump, that's because they're not there, right? It's not because you're doing something wrong. You don't have to recheck it. There's hardly anything in there. You're going to find little couple pieces, maybe. But when we're doing recipes at home with the jumbo lump, it's difficult to find any shell in there, so don't be surprised if you don't either. But you guys have, like, people come in all the time like, hey, what would I get? What should I get? What do people recommend? What does Lennox eat in here? And you guys have some suggestions.
Exactly. So if you come in, ask what you should get. Right here we have some of our customer favorites. Our crab cake is hands down our #1 seller. We come in every morning, make them fresh by hand. We go through that very crab meat right there, put them in our own recipe. So crab cakes are awesome. Second to that would be our soft crab. We get those in pretty much every day as well. We clean them up, fry them up, and they are delicious.
If you like a little spice, get the Sig Sriracha on the soft shell crab sandwich.
Sig Sriracha, also known as spicy mayo to some people. But yeah, that's like a local secret. It's super good. Or you can just be simple and pair it with mayo.
Yep, tartar sauce, whatever.
Here's our fresh fish tacos. We use it with our fresh rockfish. We make a homemade beer batter. These are super, super good. Also topped with that same spicy mayo. And our crab pretzel, I mean, you can't beat it. It's a huge braided soft pretzel topped with our homemade crab dip, shredded cheese, a little Old Bay on top.
I love that new pretzel too. It's not new anymore, but I love that long ribbon pretzel. That's an awesome thing,
Exactly. Yeah, you want to talk about our salads and everything?
Yeah, so these are cold salads. They're ready to go if you just want to have something quick for dinner, something to side all your food with. We have our shrimp salad, homemade at home every day, fresh.
Grandma Lennox loves this stuff. Grandma and great G-Ma Lennox love this stuff.
Buy it by the pound, the half pound. We've got coleslaw, macaroni salad. You can also get these with your sandwiches too, which is great as your side. We are fresh seafood stuff, deviled eggs. They have crab meat and shrimp meat, so you can't beat it, honestly.
Can I have one? Actually, I have one of those.
Yeah.
Just hand that over here. Yeah. So look, guys, don't hesitate to give them a call. Phone number's coming at you because I'm gonna have food in my mouth.
410-641-9379.
Do like I do. Go to the website beforehand, crabstogo.com. Hit the menu. Get the list of everything that's available.
Yep. Because this is just some of it. There's
a
lot
little
more
bit
to choose from.
This ain't even close. There's a whole board hanging in there and a huge menu online. You're not going to want to miss it because the food's outstanding. I can literally say I've never had a bad bite of food in this place. And I'm going to start again right here. Let's do like a wishbone. Let's do like a wishbone.
I knew you were going for that soft crab.
Oh, I win! But I always win at Crabs to Go. Right here on the corners of Route 50 and 589.
Fresh hot carry out.
Woo!
See you after the break. Damn, it's good.